families, I wanted to show you the activity of the day today just because it has some moving parts and different things in a template that you'll be able to do. So this one is specific to characters have a feelings, but this video can also be used if there's sometimes to type into a template that looks like this or moving some objects like the emojis on this one around. So this could help on other ones as well. So again, it's going to be an activity. You're going to see the activity of the day, add response, pick your name. And then that template kind of for today, it's a chart of the character feelings. It'll be there for them to fill out. Now, instead of trying to write like on a mouse and draw in, the best way to fill in a template like this, of course, would be to use the text like it said. So if I'm doing the character for today, and today we said on this specific one, they need to do at least 2 different characters and how they feel and what happened in the book to make them feel that way. They could also do the same character if their character's feelings change throughout the book. So like if they did, we did a book today about a moose, they could do moose twice, but maybe moose was sad and then he got excited. So it's okay to use the same character as long as this part over here is different. So again, when you're filling out a template that looks like this one, you're gonna probably want it to do the text and put in the word. Again, when you click out of the box, you can move and make it smaller to fit into the template today. The emotions is the fun part that they were worried about forgetting, is the emojis down here. And sometimes there's going to be things that they can move around on a template like this on SeeSaw. So when there's something like this that can be moved with the emojis, I can move and drag it up to answer that part. So that's kind of the fun part. I also told them they can make their own emojis as well. And so once they have that, they can make it smaller or bigger to fit in a little bit better. And then this part was the most important just as a reader today on this specific activity, that they need to use the text to tell from the book why they thought the character felt that way, because we talked a lot about how it's not going to come out and say, oh, Moose was excited or Moose was frustrated. It's going to, you have to put clues together as a reader like we know. So if I'm saying Moose was frustrated or sad, then I'm going to say in my words, the reason why was his costume didn't fit. Okay. And then again, I can click out of the box and make that a little bit smaller to move over into that template. Oh, I had some hard time. So again, today, this part over here with the reason why is a really important part as a reader. Why did you think that that character felt that way? So hopefully this helps. It's just able to show that if there's a template like this, the best way to fill in words is using the text and kind of resizing it. If there's something to move on the template, like these emojis on this specific one, then you can drag and move them. So hopefully that helped, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.